welcome and thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. So we are so glad to have you here and we are so excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's start with the first question. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Yeah, thank you for giving an opportunity. So basically, myself, Parth Modi, I look after the business in the Not Drones Innovations Private Limited. So we are into an consumer drone segment where we target our audience who are new to the drone segment. Basically, the people who like to go for traveling, bloggers. So basically, we are into a consumer segments.
Okay.
And talking about my company, we are into this not drones. We are started in 2025. But we have a segment starting from 2,000 rupees till 40,000 rupees drone segment. We have a parent company called Electrobotic Manufacturing Private Limited. We are into toys and drones manufacturing.
That's nice, sir. Which products are you showcasing today at Drone Expo 2026?
Basically, there is one highest selling product of our, and we are officially available on our own website only, that is notdrones.com. And our best selling product is Not ORO 4K, which comes with a 4K camera, GPS 2XS gimbal. So we have all products under nano category, 249 grams.
Okay. That's nice, sir. In your views, which is your greatest strength that keeps you unique from others?
So basically, if you will ask me, unique by others, like as I said in the start, we target consumers, the people who are new to these industries. We are currently into the market where there is a mass audience, not in the surveillance or the government sectors, you can say, where the products people require a technical specs and something. We are into people who just want for fun, who just wanted to explore the drone, how it works. That customers comes to us and they explore and they purchase it. Secondly, our strength is our pricing, where people can afford our products basically with minimum price with best features what we provide.
Okay. That's nice, actually. What message would you like to share with your potential customers, visitors, and the people who are exploring your booth?
So I would give to my customers, like we are providing an after services, which maybe not many companies who are providing right now. The customers who are purchasing, they have a back of the mind in case if there is any issues with the product, what will happen if I will purchase from others. But in Not Drones, if you are purchasing the product, definitely you will get a service 24/7 from us. Our customer support is available. We provide to all our products 1 year of manufacturing warranty, lifetime serviceability as well. Where currently we are dealing from our own factory only. So we have two offices in India. One is a manufacturing outlet in Ahmedabad and a corporate office in Mumbai. So if anyone would like to purchase, I would recommend them. Be assured that we will be providing the after service.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I hope you have a great experience in Drone Expo
Thank you
2026.
so much, ma'am.
Yeah. And we are bringing it again in the month of September in New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
We would definitely discuss internal with management, and we will think about it. How is it going to be? And surely it is a great drone expo which is going on from last yesterday. Good footfall. Today is also good footfall. I would appreciate and congratulate for keeping this type of expos where many people can have an interaction in it.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice meeting.